Hello, this is Takami of Suikosha. I am a Japanese carpenter. Finally, I arrived at France. So, I'm so happy. What do you think my first job is? Yes, my first job is to sharpen a knife because I have to eat and work. When you sharpen a knife, you use 1000 stone. 1000 grit stone is easy to sharpen. Usually in the home and DIY, 1000 grit enough. I will demonstrate how to sharpen the kitchen knife. At first, knife stone the whole stone on the stone. The knife move like that. At that time, the knife move to my body. Almost push. When you turn the knife, relax. A few times for move like that. Especially you use around here, so you push here. You push here. The next door, turn the knife. You push around here. Same way. The knife move to your body. The knife you have to push. The knife this direction will relax. Go. Again. A few times. これでat that time you have to check this line. If you can see the line, this edge of the knife, still this knife not enough sharpening. If you cannot see the line like this, sharpening is finished. This knife is finished. Okay. Okay. 切れてるね。これで OK。
OK。